walking and stuff. Hey, what's this? Sound machine. Hey, let me press it. This one. Yeah, that. It sounds like someone's burping. I want to hear it again. No, let me try. Yeah. Hey, you know what I can do with this thing? I can prank people. Let's go with Mario. He'll be so fun to prank.
You know, Mario, this is so romantic. Just me and you sitting by each other and stuff.
Yeah, woman, but where's the sandwiches you promised?
Oh, the sandwiches. Yeah, I kind of forgot about those.
You what? You forgot the sandwiches? Oh my gosh, stupid. Nobody ever forgets the sandwiches. Sandwiches, were they even gonna be?
Well, they're gonna be tuna.
Tuna? I hate tuna.
Jeez, Mario, you always make every day we go on terrible.
Guys, I can't do it. I'm gonna make it like Mario's farming. Okay.
Did you hear something? Not particularly, except your stupid voice. Hey, shut up. Ew, Mario! Why'd you fart?
I didn't fart.
Yes, you did. What was that sound then?
I didn't fart. Jeez.
Mario, don't lie to me. I did not fart. I'm serious. I control my body and I did not fart. Have you been eating too much pasta again?
No. Hey, what's that? Grandpa Luigi? What are you doing here? Didn't get a sound machine, didn't play the fart sound. Really? Yes. Don't ever do that again. Okay.
I didn't fart, Peach. It was just Grandpa Luigi with his sound machine. Okay, I have to yawn.
Peach, you burped.
Well, we didn't even eat anything, so how can I burp?
Peach.
It was probably Grandpa Luigi, like you said.
Technical nuke incoming! Wow. Get this sound machine. That was so awesome. Whoa, 2 minutes and 32 seconds? Jeez. That's how long this clip is. Oh my god! Who's blasting that stupid music? That music's annoying. Anyway, I gotta think of some awesome scheme. It's stupid plan that will never work to think up of. Let's see here. What could I be? This stuffy nose. I hate flu season. It's sunny out. Good deal. I was. Somebody shoot me now. My god, that actually worked. That was from last year. Get with the times. Oh my gosh. This is like amazing. Sing is like sacred. Oh. I'm not dead.
Wait, where am I? I think I must have dozed off or something.
Oh no, don't start that again.
Wait, what? Who said that?
I got the sound machine. Let's search. There's money.
Money, where's money? Woo! Bowser, what are you doing here?
Someone shot me.
Technical nuke. Wait, what?
That was so mean.
There's one person I haven't pranked yet.
Luigi.
Where is that music coming from? Whatever it is, it's stupid. But it's so nice relaxing here. I can't help.
Luigi, a spider.
Wait, where? Hey, I didn't scream like that.
Like my sound machine.
Whoop.
And that's the Grandpa Luigi Show. Yes, thank you. Thank you, everybody. And now I shall leave. Thank you. And no, I want it this way. So, thank you and good night.